Hey, welcome back. Today is April 28th, Wednesday. Before anything else, please do be aware of any fake profiles down in the YouTube comment section below. Asking you guys to contact some random numbers or individuals, especially the ones imitating my profile name and profile picture. Do not contact any random numbers or individuals. I would not ask you guys to do that. If you see a fake profile like that, it's better if you guys just report it. Now, on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets, which includes Bitcoin dominance and Bitcoin price action, and see how it could potentially affect the overall altcoin markets. Before diving into Harmony One and EOS token and see what has gone on in these markets, I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on these markets according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are enjoying this content, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 2 free stocks after you sign up for an account and deposit $100 US, and I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on these markets. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in these markets, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. See what's going on in this market first. Most importantly, I do take a look into Bitcoin dominance. Tells me what the money could be trending into, whether it be Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither. Right now, we do have Bitcoin dominance down about over 0.3%. This breaks down to Bitcoin price action down over 0.3% as well. Total altcoin market cap up almost 0.4%. Now, this would still be what I call it to be the upside of Bitcoin dominance, trending downwards, as I would usually see. Total altcoin market cap leading in gains ahead of Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin pulling back slightly today, and total altcoin market cap still in gains. Now, I usually emphasize Bitcoin dominance to trend downwards. That's generally speaking better for the altcoins on both the upside and downside. Because conversely speaking, if Bitcoin dominance was trending upwards, the upside of that, I would usually see Bitcoin leading in gains ahead of total altcoin market cap. On Bitcoin dominance for a weekly time frame here, we have broken down from a falling wedge pattern, which is generally a bullish pattern. This is the weekly time frame for Bitcoin dominance, and we are approaching that key support I mentioned again, which is at about the 50% fit level area. If Bitcoin dominance continues down here, that's more ideal for the altcoins. Bitcoin price action, weekly time frame. As I have said, there has been bearish divergence on this time frame. 3 consecutive higher highs on the price action chart. However, with 3 consecutive lower highs on the RSI. That's classic bearish divergence, and bearish divergence more often than not can signal a pullback, which we have gotten in each of these 3 instances after getting a higher high and a lower high on the RSI. The safer signal I said I'm looking for here will be seeing a higher high on the price action chart along with a higher high on the RSI to tell me that this bearish divergence is done playing out on this time frame. Monthly time frame, we have been in overbought territory for quite some time with bearish divergence. We have about 2 more days left until this monthly candle close, and it has been quite a bit of a volatile month, okay? Now, this is not a time frame I will lose track of, even though sometimes it takes quite a bit of time for the signals to play out, okay? But do take a look into the last few times. Bitcoin has gone into very overbought territory here on this monthly time frame. And the higher the RSI rating gets, the higher the probability of a pullback. If Bitcoin pulls back at any time, it could still have a bearish effect on the altcoins. That bearish effect would be greater if Bitcoin dominance is trending higher. And if we actually do pull back here on the monthly time frame, one data point on here is 1 month's worth of time as a reminder. Three-day time frame. Key resistance, the blue line here, the 3-day 21 MA. Next up, the daily 21 and the daily 50, which are pretty much at each other's price level right now. Now, price action on this daily time frame did break out of a falling wedge pattern. Measured target is right underneath 62K here. Let's go over to Harmony, ONEUSD. Let me point out on the monthly time frame here, we have retreated from an RSI reading of about 92. That's 92 out of 100. That was 92 out of 100, which was in very overbought territory. Currently, we have retreated back to about 75, 76 here, so still in slight overbought territory. Daily time frame here, there has been a falling wedge pattern with 2 outlier wicks, 3 outlier wicks. 2 actually, that's fine. Since those are very big candles, I think it's fair to actually exclude them. Price action did break out of this generally bullish pattern here. Measured target adjusted for this breakout point would be about 20 cents. Measured targets. Now, measured targets are theoretical approximate targets only. May actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Let's take a look into some of the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance immediately would be about the 15 cents fib level area here. Next up, about the 17 cents fib level area here. Next up would be about the 19.5 cents fib level area. Beyond this, I can expect resistance coming from this group of past trading history here, ranging from about 20 cents to 22 cents, and then finally one more here, right above 23 cents measured resistance from this past trading history here. If the price action gets past its measured targets. Key support, daily 21, daily 50, and then about the 13 cents fib level area, which all of these key supports are at very close to each other. Next one down will be about the 3-day 21 MA, which is at about 12 cents. Next one down would be about 11 cents fib level area. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action continues breaking back on top of some of these key resistances and go towards its measured target. Mining those resistances because those could still be points of rejection. Bearish case scenario, if price action breaks back below key support again. So the first one down would be the daily 21 MA 50 along with about the 13 cents fib level area. So quite a bit of key supports underneath the price action right now, and that would not look good if price action starts getting daily candle closes below some of these key supports again. If the 13 cents fib level area does not hold, that would take into consideration of price action breaking below the daily 21 MA and the 50 again as of this snapshot. Then the next level of key support I'll be looking at would be the 3-day 21 MA and then the 11 cents fib level area and seeing if those hold. But that would not be a good sign if price action starts breaking below some of these key supports again, getting daily candle closes below these key supports. Let's go over to EOS. Let me add on Harmony 1 here. Getting daily candle closes, let me clarify, below the key supports immediately, the daily 21 MA, the daily 50, and the 13 cents fib level area. Getting a daily candle close below these key supports would not be a good sign. Then the next level down would be the 3-day 21 MA. And of course, getting a 3-day candle close below this 3-day 21 MA would be a further bad sign. Then the next level of key support I'll be looking at will be about the 11 cents fib level area and seeing if that holds. Now, after I clarified, let's go over to EOS. EOS here. On this daily time frame, I do see a falling wedge pattern with one big outlier candle here. Like I said, I do think that is fair. Measure targets out of this falling wedge pattern, which looks like the price action has broken out of this pattern about 2 days ago. Okay. Measure target out of this pattern is about $7.70 adjusted for this breakout point. Now, falling wedge patterns are still generally bullish patterns, and measure targets, again, are theoretical approximate targets only. May actually be different in real life price action, more or less. Let's see some of the key supports and resistances relevant to this price action right now. Key resistance immediately would be the $6.50 fib level area. The daily 21 MA, the blue line here. Next up would be about the $7 fib level area. Then I can look to the past trading history here for resistance. If the price action gets past that, I could expect resistance coming from about $7.50 all the way up to about $9, right underneath $9 for past trading resistance. Key support, about the $6 fib level area, which we are at right now. Daily 50 MA. The $5, about the $5 fib level area, which is pretty in line with the 3-day 21 MA right now. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios here. Bullish case scenario, price action continues breaking back on top of some of these key resistances and go towards its measured targets, minding each of these key resistance levels or areas, as those could be points of rejection. Bearish case scenario, price action breaks back below support. The first level of key support I am looking at would be about the $6 fib level area, which we are pretty in line with right now. If about the $6 fib level area does not hold, the daily 50 MA is next. And then the 3-day 21 MA and about the $5 fib level area, and seeing if the price action holds at those key supports. Now, these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.